Hey friends, welcome to another video. I'm checking out this multi-purpose recorder. It's like a body cam type thing. You can wear on your shoulder or on your bike. It comes with the 128 GB SD card, some instructions. We got our charging, USB-A to USB-C charging device. And here is, we have a little handlebar mount. You can put those on your bike if you want to. And then also right here we have a shoulder clip. So this can mount, let's see, like if you have a lot of uniforms and stuff, have these clips right up here. These like basically it's like a strap of cloth up there, and you can put it right on there. Different mounts on things. Maybe you can put it right here and mount it on there. Let's see how this thing works. Anyways, here is the camera right here. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty small. It's got some, looks like LED lights there in front, or maybe that's for the night vision. It's supposed to be waterproof also. And we have our charging points here. It's got a screen here so we can see. Maybe use this to record maybe YouTube video and stuff like that. It's got a play button, back and forth button, and the place for the SD card and the charging port there. So we're going to charge this up and do some videos on here and show you how the quality is. It should be like set it up for auto record. Okay, so that just snaps in there. And yeah, like you could put it on a shirt or something even, or if you're running, something a little bit more solid. Like a lot of people, if they wear a vest or something, they could put it on there. But that seems on there pretty good. And if you want to release that, I believe you just push that down and that should slide out the way it came, I think. Ooh, okay, yeah, got off there. Okay, I'm gonna charge this up real quick and then shoot some videos, and I'll play these for you guys, see how the quality is. So we'll get on that right now. All right, so I put the battery in there, or not the battery, I put the little USB card in there, SD card, and there it just fires right up. It's already fully charged, so I'm just gonna put this on, just kind of walk around with it and see. We'll show you guys the video quality on the SD card there. Okay friends, so here we go. Recording now. Should be in the garage here. Turn off the light. See how good the night vision is here. It should automatically just go into night vision. I'll see, going through different lightings here. Here's this right here. We'll put the closet here and see how that works. A bit darker in here. And here. You can look outside here. Alright, so should give us a nice little view of what's going on here. And let's see how that turns out on the audio and stuff like that. And then I can just hit the button here on the side and it should turn it off there.